Welcome back. For this design, I'll be using acrylic paint on white tips. I'm going to start off by using my dotting tool to go in with pink acrylic paint and just make random spots all over the tip. For the ring finger, which will be the accent nail, I've already applied a little bit of silver holographic glitter onto the white, and then I took my dotting tool and went back over all the pink marks with a clear gel top coat, submerged the tip in pink glitter to get all in that gel top coat, cured it, and then brushed off the excess. And now all the pink spots are sparkly. Now I'm going to go in with the black acrylic paint and just make random marks on the outlines of the pink spots that I've made. Again, each spot is going to be different. Also, in the empty white spaces, I'm also going to do a couple marks with the black paint as well. Sometimes just a little dot or a little mark, but just again, just random. I'm now going to do the same thing with the accent nail that I did with the pink with the black. I'm going to go over all the marks that I made with the black acrylic paint with the clear gel top coat, submerge it in black glitter this time, cure it, and then brush off the excess. And now the whole design will be sparkly. I then went over all the tips with clear top coat to protect the design. If you ever do a design on tips, any tips, but specifically lighter or white tips, and you want to put polish on top, do not use regular nail polish. The nails will turn yellow and eventually brown once you put the acrylic on top. I learned this the hard way many years ago. Always use gel polish. Now I'm going to go in and cover all the tips in clear acrylic and then do the nail beds with the pink acrylic. This is one of my favorite designs to do. I just think it's so pretty. This was my first time doing the accent nail with the glitter on top, and I love how it turned out. The camera isn't really picking up the glitter, but trust me, it's all sparkles in person. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this design, make sure you thumbs up this video, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.